looking at me go right now. I'm gonna try to shoot him with the Joe Blaster. How do you know? Every single time. How do you know? Huh? I can never fucking like do it.
I got them spikes.
I can never do it secretly, bruh.
It's because I'm Peter Parker.
You're Peter Parker?
Yeah, I got them Spidey senses.
Oh, the gay version?
Nah.
This ghetto ass Canes, bruh. It's fenced up. And a Honda Fit? Oh my god.
Danny Duncan?
Is that Danny Duncan in there?
Yeah.
Does it have a horn in the car?
Shut the fuck up.
I won't pay, bitch.
We gotta apologize.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, there's like a dope ass park. It was like those ancient times when Omar would come out.
Oh, yeah.
That he took us over there.
Yeah, let me call his food real quick. Let me see.
Your call has been
Wow.
forwarded to an automatic voice
Fake ass
message
bitch.
And fucking Omar doesn't answer.
What the fuck? Kane's got the secret sauce. Look, you see that?
What?
The secret sauce. He be nutting on the fucking on the tenders and shit.
Hi, what's the name?
Jeffrey Dahmer.
See that read the card name.
It's not Jeffrey Dahmer. Doesn't even say Jeffrey Dahmer, dude.
Let's get it. Hop off a 16 passenger. This a G5. No, this not a Challenger. Big one. I keep some milk.
I think it's right here.
Oh!
Hold on to your teeth. I could have gone more faster, but I kind of slowed down.
You want to go get it?
I wonder how that looks like from the outside. Yeah, close my
Bro,
door.
you ran! So we finna do a little stunt in this little road. Fuck, it's fucking cold. Oh shit, he's coming, he's coming. Huh?
Get in the car, pussy.
Get in the car?
Look, that guy's staring. Think he has a steering problem or what?
Yeah.
That dude has a steering problem?
Yeah, should I?
Steering problem. It's your lucky day. Choose whichever one you want. It's on me.
Yeah, on you?
This is a nice ass Prius though, I'm not gonna lie. You want this one for your Sweet 16 or what?
Huh?
For your Sweet 16?
Yeah,
You want this one?
16, yeah.
Dude, they're not even fucking open. That's some bullshit. Why are they not open?
Test drive a Camry.
Huh?
Test drive a Camry.
I think I could, right? I just need my license and my insurance. Oh, should we go test drive a Hellcat?
Yeah. I don't want it. You don't want it.
Why would they not let me?
Huh? Oh shit! Look, man. Come on. Every car, bro.
What?
It's the Freeze Road Mobile.
Which one? A Urus?
It looks like a fucking Urus.
No, it does not.
The angle looks like a fucking Urus.
No, it does not. Should we just get a truck? Some off-roading? Some off-roading going on? Oh yeah.
This was open because they think like they don't give a fuck about these cars.
Dude, this is somebody else's car. This is a Corolla?
Yeah.
These are hard, bro.
It looks like a fucking Civic.
Yeah.
This looks like a Civic.
This is like a Civic getting plastic surgery.
It's the Kim Kardashian of
Kim
Toyotas
Kardashian.
of Corollas.
Oh, now this is open.
This is open. Get inside of my boys. We're going off-roading.
I like the new small fucking car.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, are you guys all looking for a car, or is it just one of you looking?
Just browsing right now. To
Yeah. Just take some pictures in it.
Yeah. Trying to flex. My cousin's back in Mexico.
Do you have a car now?
Yeah.
No car.
I have a
You
car.
plan to trade that in?
Nah. I mean, I don't think I can get a lot for it anyway.
We can take a look and see what we could offer for it.
It's kind of. You left the door open. So dirty.
If you want, you guys can feel free to look around. I'm just gonna have somebody take a look and see what we can offer for it, okay? So I'll meet you guys back down here. I'm gonna take the keys for a second.
Okay. Fuck. Dude, what'd I get myself into?
What if he's taking pictures to flame the group chat? Like to flame
To flame the group chat. Look at this piece of shit, bro. How much do you think it's gonna be? He's gonna offer me.
You want to bet?
9,000.
You want to bet?
How much?
I'll take a $5 bet.
I have $5 for you.
$5 bet.
To 8,500 to 9,500.
Nah, hell no.
Yeah. If this wasn't here, it would have been like 15K.
This? Hell nah.
He says 8.5. I say 8.
8?
Yeah.
That's like
I say like 7,000. 8,000. They offer me 8,000 for that shit. Honestly, that's more than I expected. I expected way less than that. No, cause I checked on CarMax before, and they were giving me like 6K for that shit.
Yeah, because of CarMax.
Cause it's CarMax.
Yeah.
What?
All they do is buy used cars.
Dunk it. Dunk that shit. Dunk it. Dunk it. Dunk it. Oh! LeBron?
Oh shit.
Dude, oh! Does it even work? Why that way? The other way, yeah. What the fuck?
Oh, look, the masturbator machines.
What?
The masturbator machines.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Look where you masturbate.
How much are they? $3.99 is crazy. What the fuck? It's like a ball sack.
Yeah, same size.
What the fuck? Look, oh my god. Step, bro. This is the fucking hangout spot, huh? Oh, welcome to the crib, homie. Fucking Hallcast room. It's all green and shit.
Welcome to my new room.
What the fuck is that? Jeffrey Dahmer?
Yeah.
Why? You a vegetarian?
Yo. Whoa. Hey, yo. This fucking shit. What the fuck? Princess Diana.
Bro, you
Oh,
get the best part.
I'm sorry.
Get the best part.
I didn't know. I wanted to listen to fucking Boys a Liar, dude.
He said I'm good enough, I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I should've.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Accessibility shortcuts.
What the fuck? Whoa.
Turn it up, bro. They're gonna kick us out now.
I think we're closing now.
Because we're closing, so yeah.
Oh no. I think they kicked us out. That's why they're not closing. Too much ice spice.
I'm
Yo.
about to jump, bro.
Who the fuck is that kid down there? This is fucking dope. Fuck the view. Look at this fucking whale. What the fuck? Look at this whale. He slips. Fuck the whale. Fuck the whale. Fuck the whale. Oh no, he's on demon time. He's on demon time. Somebody stop him, please. He's on demon time. Hey, yo. Damn, that shit is fucking nice. That's literally where we were over there, but higher. Damn.
How the fuck do students get up here if they have a class like down there and like let's say like it ends at like 12:30 and they got a class up here like 12:30.
You better have a lime scooter.
You're not making the lines come up the hill.